Natikman niyo na ba yung Founder's Donuts na Philadelphia Cream Cheese Donuts? Hurry kasi for limited time lang to. In our quest to find the best donuts, dinayo namin ang Founder's Donuts sa Makati. It's a small donut shop that also offers coffee and drinks na we also like. Marami silang donut flavors, including limited edition flavors in partnership with other food brands. Like this Ovaltine Crunch donut na naabutan pa namin. Saktong tamis lang even with Ovaltine Crunchy Syrup, Crunchy Pop, and chocolate malt cookie on top. Kaso wala na to, sayang. Ang pinaka-favorite namin are these Philadelphia cream cheese donuts na currently available pa. Yung cream cheese glaze nila has cream cheese frosting on top. Soft donut siya, tapos may caramel crumble pa. We loved yung cream cheese cream donut nila na may cream cheese filling na, may white chocolate pa on top. Plus may caramel crumble rin for that yummy crunch. Generous rin sa filling, so sagad hanggang dulo may cream kang makakain. Sadly, baka daw mawala na to in a few weeks. Sana i-add na nila to as a permanent donut kasi solid ang lasa. So try nyo na before they're gone. May iba pa silang donuts na bet namin, like yung Boston cream version nila. Siyempre, recommended rin namin yung Biscoff Tiramisu donuts. Marami rin silang available flavors and here are some na nagustuhan namin. Yung mga donuts nila, nice and soft. And if you prefer yung di ganun katamis, you'll love Founder's Donuts. Though nag-enjoy naman kami sa donuts nila, siguro need lang ng konting kick pa sana ng flavors dun sa ibang donuts. Parang light lang kasi yung lasa nila for us. We'll still go back though for their Philadelphia cream cheese donuts. So sana talaga maging permanent na to. Kayo, anong Founder's Donuts na ang natikman nyo?